Hello guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your bio on your Tinder dating app. Now first of all, let me teach you how to install Tinder app on your mobile phone. Go to your Play Store or go to your App Store and search in Tinder dating app or just Tinder. Now as you can see, the Tinder app is already downloaded or already installed on my mobile phone, but in your mobile phone, if it is not installed, you can click install button right here. Now after opening the Tinder app, it will show you like this. As you can see in the bottom screen of the Tinder app, you'll see 5 icons. The first one is the match found one, the second one is exploration one, third is the people who have liked you, fourth is the chat, and fifth is the profile one. Now to fix your bio on Tinder, go to the fifth icon of the bottom screen, that is the profile button. Now after you are in your profile page, as you can see in your profile picture, there's a pen logo. Click on it and scroll down. Now you can see saying about me, it is empty. Now in your about me, put a small preview about yourself because it is a bio about you. So I'm gonna put something cliche saying hi, I love life, and that's how you put bio on Tinder. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.